Hi, my name is Emma Sturt, and in this video I'll be discussing how to find a supermassive black hole. But before we get into that, let's first define what a black hole even is. So a black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. And a supermassive black hole is the largest type of black hole with a mass up to 1 billion times that of the sun. And they can be found at the centers of galaxies, and a lot of the times they form from stars collapsing and dying. Now, because no light can escape black holes, they are completely invisible to the human eye, which probably makes you wonder, so how can we find them? Well, scientists can actually detect black holes by seeing how the strong gravity affects the stars and gas around the black hole, as well as studying the stars to find out if they are flying around or orbiting a black hole. Just as planets orbit the sun due to the gravitational pull, stars can also orbit black holes due to the intense gravitational pull. A European Southern Observatory, a very large telescope, was studying a star called S2 for decades because it only orbited every 16 years. Now, they found that the star orbiting the compact radio source Sagittarius A is at the center of the Milky Way shows that Sagittarius A is a supermassive black hole of 4 million times the mass of the sun, and this can provide more information for understanding the formation and evolution of supermassive black holes. Scientists are hoping to find closer stars because it would then allow them to measure both spin and mass and define space and time around Sagittarius A. This is an image an artist did that depicts that orbit that is happening from S2, and obviously it's a little bit of a curated version, but that gives you an idea. And this new discovery, which just happened on April 16th, also proves Einstein and his general relativity theory to be correct. Scientists also created the Event Horizon Telescope, which takes a lot of smaller telescopes like the ones in this image and synchronizes them to focus on the same object at the same time. And it acts as a giant virtual telescope. As you can see, it spans across a huge section of the Earth. And this telescope generated enough light with high enough resolution and large enough aperture to finally capture the first ever image of a supermassive black hole. This is the image taken, and it's the supermassive black hole at the core of the M87 galaxy, and it was taken on April 10th in 2019. Now, this was also a groundbreaking image, and like I said, this only happened last year. Scientists continue to discover a lot more about supermassive black holes. There's still so much more we can learn, but with the evolution in technology and all the modern technology coming out, as well as scientists and their understanding of stars and their movement around black holes, we'll continue to grow our understanding of supermassive black holes and where they fit in our universe.